In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your nickname in Tinkercad quickly and easily. Now, this is an important one because your nickname is the name other people see on your profile and on your designs. And in Tinkercad, that name is managed through your Autodesk account. So if you've been wondering why you can't just change it directly inside Tinkercad, that's because Tinkercad uses a unified Autodesk Profile system. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Tinkercad account and open the Tinkercad dashboard. Once you're inside, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click that profile icon, and from the menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you to your profile page, where you can view your account details and access the settings connected to your name. Next, look for an Edit Profile button or a settings link near your current name. Depending on how your account is displayed, this may take you directly to your Autodesk Profile page. When that page opens, you'll be in the place where your name and account information are actually managed. Now, on the Autodesk Profile page, find the section labeled Basic Info or Security. In that area, look for your name or screen name, and then click the small edit icon, usually shown as a pencil. This is the part where you can update the nickname that appears across your Tinkercad account. Type in the new nickname you want to use. Make sure it's something you're happy with, because this is the name people may see on your designs in Profile. Once you've entered the new name, click Save to confirm the change. After saving, your nickname may not update instantly everywhere. In some cases, it can take a few minutes for the change to reflect across all of Tinkercad's pages and connected Autodesk services. So if you don't see the update immediately, just give it a little time and refresh the page later. And that's really all there is to it. You've now changed your nickname in Tinkercad through your Autodesk Profile settings. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now your account should show the updated name wherever it applies. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.